the location of the ESCON Primera is Bangon Pier 7 Road, which is connected with the airport road, and the best part is it's a corner plot. There is a two entrance. One is 200 feet wide road, which is airport road, Bangon Pier 7 Road entrance, and there is a second road which is connected next to the project, and that is connected with the Patiala Highway. It's a 60 feet wide road, right? The best part is it is very near to the airport, and it's a 7-minute drive from my project, right? From ESCON Primera to International Airport, it's just 7 minutes drive. And the thing is, this is a construction going on. As you can see, this is a construction going on. It's on full swing. It's a live location. The tower of 3 towers construction is already going on, right? And this whole area is our land. It's a 18-acre land, and the best part is this is the project with the 4 entry exit points. 2 entry exit is on airport road, and 2 entry exit is on 60 feet wide road. And all gates are differentiated between, like, first gate entrance is for the guests and vendors, second and third for the residents, and fourth is for the commercial vehicles. Now best part is we are using My1 technology, right? My1 technology is the only technology which gives the strength to your society and the flats, right? And there is many less builders who are using this technology. So we are one of them who are using My1 technology. It's a Malaysian technology, right? And the thing is, we are using in My1 technology, we are using an aluminum shuttering, right? And all structure is used as a concrete and steel based. Hi, good afternoon. My name is Mayank. I am on the behalf of ESCON Primera project on the airport road. This is a sample flat of 2250 by 150 square feet. It's a 3+1 category. Now, please come. This is the entrance of the flat. The entrance side of the door is 4 by R, right? And this is the entrance foyer. Entrance foyer is 8 by 7, right? This is used for the multi-purpose, like you can use as a decoration also. After entrance foyer, there is a first room. It's a guest room. This guest room is 11 by 14. 11 is like this, and 14 is like this. This is for the guest, and with this room, this is a washroom for the guest. It's a 8 by 5. This is a washroom for the guest, right? This is the area of the sink area, and this is the WC seat area, and this is the shower area. All 3 points are on the one wall, and this is the outer wall. This is a space for balcony. This is the first balcony which is connected with the first room and the drawing room. And the size of this balcony is 17 by 6, and this is the 4.9 area, right? This is 4.9 area. So it's a L-shaped balcony, and it's a terrace kind of balconies. And all the balconies access doors are UPVC slider doors, right? Now this entry is for the drawing and dining area. This area is the drawing and dining area. It's a 23 by 14. It's a rectangular. 23 is like this, and 14 is like this. This space is for the crockery almirah, either a storeroom, either a puja ghar or a bar. Choice is yours how you can create this area. This is a kitchen area. It's a 12 by 13 kitchen area. It's your dry area. We have a concept of dry and wet area, and this whole area is your dry area, and the wet area is separate. This area is the wet area. We are giving double sink. This is the dishwasher area, and this is the washing area. In kitchen, we are giving small sink for the vegetable cleaning or and the hand cleaning, right? This entry is for the master bedroom. This is 11 by 15 room size. 11 is like this, 15 is like this. In this room, we are giving the storeroom. It's a 7 by 5. This whole area is your storeroom. And with this room, we are giving the dressing area. And the size of the dressing area is 7 by 5.3. Right? And with this room, this is a washroom. And it's again 8 by 5. This is the area of the balcony which is connected with this room, your master bedroom. This is a master room balcony which is separate with the master bedroom. The size of the balcony is 7 by 6. Now we are entering on the third room. And this room is the third room which is 11 by 14.7. 11 is like this, 14.7 is like this. This space is for the cupboards, which is on elevation, and this is the LED area, and this balcony is again separate with this room. It's again 7 by 6. This is the fourth balcony with this room which is separate. In this room, this is the washroom for this room, which is connected with this room. It's again 7 by 5 washroom. Now this room is your servant room. Either choice is you can use as a work from home, and this is the area which is 7 by 6. You can use as a multi-purpose office. Either choice is yours, right? And this is the washroom with this room. So it's a 2250, which is 3 plus 1, which is very spacious flat. We are giving this flat is 2 flats on 1 floor, right? And the thing is, in this area we are giving 4 balconies, which is connected with all the rooms and with the kitchen, right? And you can see the drawing and dining is very spacious. It is rectangular. It's a 23 by 40, right? In this we are giving 3 rooms, 3 washroom plus servant room and the servant washroom. And in this flat you are getting the storeroom which is separate, dressing area which is separate, and the kitchen size is very good. In kitchen we are using concept dry and wet area. Dry area is your cooking area and wet area is your cleaning area. Hope you like the flat and wish you can visit on our site as you will see the video. So hope for the best, and I will see you on our site so we can show you the actual flat. Thank you.